Today, the Hindu community will celebrate a special religious festival called Deepavali, meaning row of lights.
The religion Hinduism is one of the world's oldest religions, and it began in India many centuries ago.
Deepavali is a New Year festival that takes place in October or November each year.
It celebrates Lunar New Year using light and is often known as a festival.
Families celebrate with fireworks, bonfires, and sharing of sweets and gifts. It's a very special time for Hindu families. Throughout the festivals, families clean their homes in order to bring good luck. They also decorate their homes with clay lamps and rangoli patterns. These rangoli patterns are made on the floor near the entrance of a house to welcome guests. Traditionally, rangoli patterns are made from chalk and rice, but you can also use flower petals. Rangoli patterns are mostly symmetrical and very colorful, and it is a traditional form of art dating back several centuries. The beauty of the rangoli is that it cannot be preserved for long periods of time. As there is no fixed space, it is an art to be enjoyed and appreciated in the moment. They were created to encourage the goddess Lakshmi to enter their homes. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth, and all Hindus hope she will visit them and wish them a prosperous new year. Here is a video of Here 3 creating their own rangoli pattern. The colors all signify different meanings, such as white representing purity and red representing strength. One of the most famous Deepavali stories is that of Prince Rama and his beautiful wife Sita.
from their homes by his stepmother, and she wanted her son to be king. Rama's brother, Lakshmana, was like him.
Oh no, what will we do now? Nearby lived a terrible demon king Ravana. He had 10 heads and 20 arms and was filled full of banana. One day, Ravana disguised himself as an old man and kidnapped Sita in a tower. Clever Sita left trail of jewelry for Ravana to follow. Rama and Lakshmana followed the trail of glittering jewelry until they met the monkey king, Hanuman, who could fly.
My brother Lakshmana, the great monkey king, let me help you.
He became their friend and agreed to help them find Sita. Message was sent to all the monkey in the road who set out to find Sita. After a long search, Hanuman found Sita in prison on an island. The army of monkeys couldn't reach the island and began to build a bridge. Soon all the animals in the world came to help. When the bridge was built, they rushed across and fought a mighty battle. It looked as though Ravana was going to win until Rama borrowed a special bow and arrow from the gods.
Thank you, mighty gods! All of a sudden, Rama shoot up and the battle won.
When Rama killed the evil King Ravana with the magic bow and arrow, the whole world rejoiced. Rama and Sita were reunited and they began the journey back to the land. Everybody lit lamps, eyed them on the way, and welcomed them back. Ever since people light lamps at Deepavali to remember that light triumphs over dark and good triumphs over evil. It's also a tradition to which takes place during the festival. We help each other to make our own version.
Deepavali.